Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am wanting to do a fun, bright color birthday look, and this can be used for really any special occasion. I wanted to do it as like a birthday look, something bright and vibrant with this like poppy red, eye-catching red. This is the look that I came up with. If you guys want to stay tuned to see what products I use to create this look, please enjoy. So I already applied some base product and I am using this Dalba First Spray Serum. It's for hydrated and radiant skin. I got this recently. There's definitely a hype around it. It's made in Korea and there's this truffle from Italy that is supposed to do something for your skin. So we'll see. I have just started using it. I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the Oatmilk foundation by Era Perez. I'll blend it out with this Rare Beauty foundation brush. Definitely it will blend itself out. I may look like a masked ghost at the moment, but it just takes some working in, and then I go in with a sponge and it smooths everything over. And my sponge, I tend to use it dry because it, one, provides more coverage, and two, my base is already pretty dewy and moisturizing, so I don't really need that extra wet sponge to help products sit on the face. So I just always keep my sponge dry, and that just blend it out really quickly. And for concealer, I'm going to dip this sponge in and just apply it straight from the pot. It definitely gives a very flawless look when I do it this way, especially with like a soft, dry sponge. I want my base to look like healthy skin for a birthday. I'm using this Makeup by Mario Skin Enhance in light medium. And I'll just use that same dense foundation brush. It will apply really nicely because it already has a little bit of that foundation moisture in it. A beautiful product. It's just nice and transparent, so it just looks like, and I mean, Skin Enhancer is definitely a good title for it. To set my face, I am using this Youngblood powder. It's a pressed mineral foundation, so it is a powder foundation. And I like using a brush to create that very flawless base. Because this is like a birthday themed makeup look, I wanted to use kind of my favorite special items here with these products, and I wanted to go with the Dior Cherry blush. I'm just going to stick to one thin layer because it definitely adds enough pigment. I don't need more than that. I will add some powder highlight on top, and I'm going to go in with this Rare Beauty in Exhilarate. Definitely adds a festive look to it. Can even though I'll do my eyes in just a bit, I'll just add some to the inner corner. Before I do my eyes, I was going to do my lip combo, and this is the Lisa Eldridge. I'm going with a red lip this time. This is Dragon by Lisa Eldridge. And the lipstick is by YSL, and it is called, has no name, so it's in 13, but it's this beautiful red orange. basically a warm red. And for golden olives, this type of red is very, very complimentary. That is such a comfortable formula. It doesn't dry down fully. It's not going to be matte. It's just going to be a little bit glossy. It moves around, but it's so pretty. I really, really love that look. I will do my eyebrows next using this Kosas Air Brow Gel in dark brown. Going to apply some of this Paint Pot Painterly because I wanted to use a Pat McGrath Labs Mothership palette. Those are definitely special eyeshadows for me, and sticking with the special birthday theme, I'm going to use a palette that is special to me. The palette that I'm going for is this one. I think it's like Midnight Sun or something. I don't know why I always forget the names, just not that memorable. I'm going to go in with the lightest color in here and go over the whole lid to create like a matte look first. Same colors, I'm bringing them down to the lower lash line. Just to add a little bit of a matte smokiness under the eye. I don't like it just a flat white under and around my eyes. And now I will add that sparkly shadow right there at the top, all over the lid. I'll take a small brush and use the darkest gray in the palette as a liner just to lay down the liner, and then I'll go in with a liquid liner for a more permanent stay liner. I'm using this Tarte black liner in the shape of a little cat at the top. Really, you can use any liner whatsoever that works. Then I'll just add a few little dots here to kind of bring that depth to the lower lash line. I will curl my lashes and then use this Clinique mascara, and I will be right back. Just for as a final little touch, I'm going to add a little bit more of this highlight in the inner corner here to bring a little more pop, and then under the brow. I'll use this setting spray. This is the makeup all done. This is just for a special birthday celebration. Wanted to do something really pretty and bright and popping. This is the look that I came up with. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching with me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.